If the elif test is false, Python skips the elif body. Let's look at an example. Python starts at line 1, tab 0. 1 is not equal to 3, so Python skips line 2. Then Python evaluates the elif test at line 3. Since the test expression is false, Python will skip line 4 by keeping the current tab unchanged. At time 14, the current line is 5 and the current tab is 0. The control map indicates that both the if and elif tests were false. Thus, Python will execute the else body. At the conclusion of the program, there is one variable a which contains 9. In general, if the Python state at time t is as follows, where line is I, tab is j, the control map is cm, the expression stack contains an empty stack, and the value stack contains false, and the statement at line I, tab j is an elif statement, then at time t plus 1, the Python state is as follows. Line is increased by 1, tab remains j, and the control map remains cm. The control map value stays false. Thus, if Python encounters another elif statement, Python will evaluate the test expression. If Python encounters an else statement, Python will execute the else body. This property is exactly the same as the if test property where the test is false.